Day 7. Good morning. Today's gonna be dope. If I can get out of bed. I'm heading over to Fern Canyon. We're gonna fucking get in the canyon. We're gonna see some ferns. Let's go. Let's do it. On my way to Fern Canyon, I've come across something called Elk Meadow. You guessed it. It's a meadow filled with elk. We are right back at it. The road to Fern Canyon is 8 miles of twisting, steep dirt road. Today is shaping up to be a good day.
What kind of car are you driving?
A Pinsgauer.
A what?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Ranger says it's about a 4-hour commitment to go see. It's literally called Tall Trees Grove. I want to see tall trees. Let's go do it. It's a beautiful hike and a beautiful break from all the loud Pinsgauer driving I've been doing. My mind is still kind of working like it would out in the real world, trying to keep an agenda, worrying about if I'll get everything done. The reality is, I'm on vacation. My agenda is hiking. The trick is to try to be in the present moment. Made camp again here at Patrick Point, and my next task is to 1, relax, and 2, figure out if my solar panels are actually charging my mobile batteries. Step 1, I'm so relaxed now. Let's go to step 2. First step is to measure the voltage with this crappy voltmeter. Word of the wise, don't buy a crappy voltmeter. Okay, that's cool. Something is working. Damn. Okay. Once again, I have no idea what I'm doing. So what I'm gonna do is look up the manual for the controller that's inside this here box. So here's the controller, boop, and these are the lights, and I have no idea what they mean. I did look up the manual, and I do know what the lights mean. So it is not being charged. The battery is full, and the load is on. These are good things. So now that we know that it's not being charged, we can figure out why. Oh ho ho ho! What have we here? I think I found the problem. This sucker right here is not connected. Connect that, and we've got power. There you are. And screw. Don't drink and do wiring at home, kids. I promise you. Don't. Here we go. Almost too easy. Fuck yes. Calling it good. I'm freaking out. The sunset looks amazing. I gotta go see it. Oh, this is the perfect end to a phenomenal day.